sure I'm about to. Okay. Don't you fucking leave. You were meant to die, you hear me? He doesn't want to die. Oh my god, it's true. He is fighting for his fucking life right now. Beat his ass. Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Don't move. Nice, 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 nice. Abraham hunting this thing. Yeah. Yeah. Because the monsters in this game are so fucking finicky and they keep running away. Dude, what the fuck? Oh no, where'd you go? That's right, Abe. Guys, we're giving you classic Scooby-Doo. What around it? Yo, whippersnapper. Okay, is it in like the next area or one of the blues? No! Not like this.